Hey, welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. This moment, want to be speaking on the clip dagger plant, scientifically called Leonitis nepetifolia, belonging to the Lamiacea or the mint family. The Lamiacea family is a family known for its medicinal uses and also its culinary uses. Right? Clip dagger is also known as chandelier in Trinidad and Tobago. It's also known as candlestick tree in the Americas, and it's also known as Granti Panata in India Ayurvedic medicinal system. And straight to it, clip dagger has medicinal benefits that can help with onset type 2 diabetes, dysentery, diarrhea, headaches, fevers, colds, coughs. Traditionally, it's used for women's reproductive health, prolapse of the womb, uterine prolapse, depending on the dosage, right? It can also start or delay menstruation, right? It's found in Africa and also southern India. It's native to those two places, Africa and southern India. Also found in the tropics and also the subtropics, and can be found roadsides, can be found in wastelands, and right here it is, right here, beautiful, isn't it? Grown to meters, 3 meters tall. Right. It's also related to another species in the Leonitis genus, wild dagger, also called wild cannabis. The difference is Leonitis nepetifolia has leaves, right, which are similar to catnip, right, Nepeta cateria, and also have leaves that are corded with serrated edges. Um, also, as well, Leonitis Leonurus, wild cannabis, wild dagger, is it has leathery leaves, right? Also called lion's tail. This one, Leonitis nepetifolia, is called lion's ear. So there's usually some kind of similarity, especially with the common names. It can also have the same common names, but the other one, wild cannabis, Leonitis Leonurus, that's called lion's tail, and it has leathery leaves, lanceolate with serrated edges, if I remember correctly. Right? Don't want to mislead anyone. Sorry if I give wrong information. Right? So and it's a legal substitute for marijuana. Yeah, Leonitis deputifolia and wild cannabis, Leonitis leonorus, legal substitute for marijuana. Yeah, you can dry the leaves and smoke it, which they say, well, it depends on priming, depends on use over time to get the effects, but know for sure from what I read, it's a legal substitute for cannabis. So you can smoke this, dry the leaves, dry the flowers. The flowers being now the most important part, and the flowers are these orange swirls coming out here on these spiky clusters, right? Well, these are flowers, also called ball head um, Jim's weed, right? Ball head cashew as we would call it here, right? So they can be both cardiotonics, clip dagger and wild dagger can be both cardiotonics. Smoking These two they can give euphoric effect, milder than cannabis, right? It gives you exuberance, more calming, right? It can help with heart conditions like anxiety, palpitations, tachycardia, right? So from research also, right, shows that wild dagga or clip dagga it can help against anti-inflammatory inflammation. So the anti-inflammatory helps against type 2 diabetes, hypertension, controlling the heart rates, since they are cardiotonics. See, there's one lying on the ground here. Let's see, tall, 3 meters. Yeah, yeah, they're pretty tall. And here, few up here. I haven't uprooted them as yet, because as many people would know, I'm very serious with my plants. I don't want anyone to cut them. If you see me not cutting a plant, leaving it to grow, it's pretty much because it's very useful for research I've done. Traditional uses, and in India, traditionally clip dagger is used to treat fevers, headaches, malaria, um, dysentery. These are small plants growing up here. They're very drought tolerant. Right, they need full sun they can grow. So and now it's very heated, right? So yeah, they got no problem in growing, right? Can also help with lung and bone health from what I've read. And I read that there was a study of um ethanolic study, right? Methanolic extract that they give to mice, and it was found to be very antidepressant. So does help to calm the nerves. Use it as a tea. It can help with asthma, piles. Can help with arthritis. Can make a decoction of the stem. Can make decoction of the leaves, and also the roots. Right, botanical use in as an Ayurvedic herb called Granti Panata, right, in the Ayurvedic medical system. So leaves, can you make an infusion of the leaves, right? For use for internal, external uses, even for skin issues like eczema, itching. Yeah. So makes a pretty good ornamental also. If you notice the flowers, it makes a pretty good ornamental, right? But ecologically, it's very invasive in the Hawaii or Australia, Florida, but in Hawaii, they've not seen it as an ecological threat, because it can be very invasive. Yeah. So this definitely will be smoking this. Um, as much as I'm into medicinal cannabis, I don't really smoke the cannabis. I don't use it. Only medicinally. I don't smoke it. But this one, I'll definitely give this one a try. Yeah. So this allows you to be less sensitive to pain. It's nociceptive, less sensitive to pain. You don't get much tingling, right? And also like I said, it's anti inflammatory. So there are pharmacological studies showing that it has tumor necrosis factor suppression, pro-inflammatory cytokines, right? So amazing is herbal medicine. There's so much to learn and study. Sometimes try to just remember everything. Definitely not walk in the park like conventional medicine, studying conventional medicine. So phytochemical and pharmacological studies show that there is nepetifolia, leonotinine, nepetiforine, right? These diterpenes are what consist in nepetifolia, Leonitis nepetifolia clip dagger, right? Yeah. So here it is. There it is. Right. Thanks again for watching.